Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to delete the account in the Roadtrippers application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the right. And then scroll down and click on the delete account button. And then you have to enter your username in order to delete the account. And then click on the delete button, and your account is deleted. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.